Hello, my name is Flora. This is Math 1460 practice test number 2. I'm solving problem number 8. Sketch the graph of g of x equals parentheses x minus 1 parentheses to the fifth minus 1 by identifying all transformations and finding intercepts algebraically. First of all, we're going to find the parent function. Parent function of the graph is f parentheses x equals x to the third. So x parentheses x to the third parentheses will equals the parent function of x to the fifth. The transformation of this graph will be transformation will flattens between -1 and 1 by a power of 5/3 over the x-axis. The graph, because of x minus 1, the graph will go to the right 1 and because of x minus 1 to the fifth minus 1, because of this minus 1 on the outside, the graph will go down 1. We are going to solve for the intercepts. The y-intercept, where we have x equals 0. So we have g of x equals parentheses x minus 1 parentheses to the fifth minus 1. We are going to take g to the 0 equals parentheses 0 minus 1 to the fifth minus 1. 0 minus 1 is -1 parentheses to the fifth minus 1. -1 to the fifth will equals -1. -1 minus 1 equals -2. So x equals 0 and y equals -2, where it would be 0, -2 for the y-intercept. And then we're going to solve for the x-intercept, where y equals 0. We have g of x equals parentheses x minus 1 to the fifth minus 1 equals 0 equals x minus 1 to the fifth minus 1. Where we have -1 will go to the other side, which will make it to a +1, and we will move it to the other side to make it a positive. We will get, this side will cancel, and we will get 1 here equals parentheses x minus 1 to the fifth. So we would have to fifth root it so we can cancel the 5. We will do the same thing for the other side to the fifth. We will get 1 on this side equals x minus 1. 1 equals x minus 1. And then we will try to cancel this side to make it a positive to go on the other side. Take +1, move it to +1 on the other side. Cancel whatever's on the right side and have 2 equals x. So 2 equals x and y equals 0. So we will have 2 and 0. So we will start to graph this. So we're going to use this graph. We're going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0, right in the middle. And we're going to draw sort of an Egyptian, which is x to the third. I'm going to label this g of x equals x to the third. Then I'm going to use a different color we're going to move this. So we're going to use the y-intercept, which is 0 to negative 2. 0. Start at 0 all the way down to negative 2. Label this. And use a different color to do the x-intercept, which is 2, 0. We were going to start at 0, go all the way down to 2 on the x-axis. Label this 2, 0. And I'm going to draw my graph. Then I'm going to use a different color and flatten this closer to the x-axis. So by flattening between -1 and 1 by a power of 5/3 over the x-axis. So I'm going to take this and flatten it closer to the x-axis. And this is our graph for g of x equals parentheses x minus 1 to the 5th minus 1. Thank you.